Today I'm going to be showing you how to be making this clear glittery slime. So this is what it looks like. It's quite pokey. So that is the slime right there. That was not just like me just going like this in the air. That was the slime. Oh yeah, and I've made this highlighter slime, but I forgot to video it, but I made clear highlighter slime. All I done was, it says, oh, you can make highlighter slime. Glue in highlighter. It does not work. Do not do it. Don't, guys. Just don't. It's so sticky as well because of the highlighter. So I do not recommend it. Definitely not. Because how it worked for me is I just added my contact lens solution. So I'm going to show you how to make this slime. So what you do is get a pot or a plate. Get some paper glue, get some glitter, clear paper glue, and some glitter. I just used all my glitter. Let me try and put some back. This will come off on this slime. Okay, so then you mix this very well. It doesn't matter if the glitter goes everywhere. And then you get some wee wee contact lens solution. I call it wee wee because it just, don't you think it comes out like wee? I don't know. I don't know, guys, don't blame me. And sometimes I add some airwick because I want to. Sorry guys. So if you could hear all that clicking, that was just my nail. But yeah, the Elwick legit always works, but I still add some contact lens solution because it's just, I think it's just the contact lens solution. But actually like activates it, but it like just doesn't, like I just don't want to use a load of it, so you might as well just add some Airwick just so you don't use all your contact lens solution up the phone. I don't mind if it goes all over the table because then I just play with it on the table. Don't you think that's a good idea? Okay. I actually think, don't you think, oh my god, this is like the worst slime I've ever made because it's like, just mix it all together so it's not in a clump. So, I'm going to quickly put this on the table. Okay. I'm going to quickly, I really think these two look the same. That's the one what I just made. And this is the one what I made before. So bye guys.